So we have arrived at our first locality. This is a quarry just off of Morley Road, just south of Sydney. And what you should see all around me is a whole lot of red. So this is an igneous rock locality, our first stop of the day. There's a lot of really neat fine scale stuff that we're going to show you photographically in a second, but I wanted to start off the video just to walk you through the material here. So what you should see is a fine-grained rock with some of these larger white things. So that's telling you that this guy has sort of a porphyritic texture. If you remember back into lab, we went through this stuff. These white little flecks here, these are feldspar crystals that would have formed deeper underground, and the rest of it you can see is quite fine-grained. It's red in color, which means that this is going to be rich in the mineral potassium feldspar. So fine-grained, aphanitic background plus our feldspar means that we have a rhyolite, and in this case this is actually, it's got a kind of a porphyritic texture to it, this bit right here. And you can see all around me, I've got rocks like this. So these are rocks, the same rocks you would encounter if you went hiking in the Coxheath Hills, that formed about 620 million years ago, a long way from where we are right now in Nova Scotia. This formed on the entire other side of an ancient ocean, off of the coast of a supercontinent that was made up of Africa and South America and some other continents. And as you should recall, where you've got rhyolite, it means that you are in a subduction zone. This is a heavily evolved magma. Remember Bowen's reaction series. So this is also a magma that's going to generate explosive eruptions. And in fact, a lot of what we're looking at here would have originally come out as a flowing kind of mass of lava and hot ash rushing down the sides of the slope, and I'll show you some evidence of that movement in a second. I also want to show you that back off in this corner here we have a different colored rock, and you can see some of these lying on the ground. These don't belong here. These have just been trucked in, but they're going to tell us a different story that is relevant to what we've just gone over in class. So let's now go up and take a look at some of the spots around this quarry in detail.